The benefit of tiger nut drink cannot be overemphasized. Aside from the fact that it is very easy to make, it improves digestion, the heart well-being, it helps to strengthen the body's immune system. It has an aphrodisiac effect, it boosts energy, and researchers have found it to be useful in treating so many diseases. The drink is very, very easy to prepare. So join me as we go to the kitchen to prepare a tiger nut drink. To be able to make your tiger nut drink, you need a blender. If you don't have a blender, that means you will take it to commercial mill. This is my cheesecloth. I've washed it. All the things I'm using, including my work surface, have been thoroughly washed. Here is my tiger nuts. I soaked it for close to 3 days. I just make sure to change the water every day. We have banana. We are going to be blending it into our tiger nut drink. We have our coconut. It's been shelled. And finally, we have our date. What I did was to just soak it for a few hours so that I can remove the seed. The seed can damage my blender. If you have ginger and you can tolerate it, why not? You can add it. But I don't have ginger at home, so I will make do with water. I wish I can show you how it was before soaking it. So here is it. I've picked out the dates and I soaked it for more than 2 days. So here is it. You can see how swollen it is. I'm going to be straining the water out, then I'll blend it. I won't be finishing a whole coconut. I think that coconut is too much for this. If you like, you can put a whole coconut. That's according to your preference, but I'm not going to be finishing it. I've strained the water using a colander, so I'm going to be adding it into the blender. Later, I will add my coconut. I'm going to be cutting the coconut in chunks. I'll put my water or put the date before adding the water. It doesn't matter the order. Just add the tiger nut, coconut, date, the soaked date, and water into the blender, and then we are going to be blending it. So this is how I will continue blending until I am satisfied. Now I'll cut my banana and add it into the blender, and I will blend until smooth. Then I will turn it into the cheesecloth and squeeze out the milk until I've gotten enough milk. Look at how I'm squeezing out the milk. If need be, I will add water. See how creamy our tiger nut drink is looking. So you will continue squeezing until you get the better part of it. Then you will turn the chaff away, and tada, our tiger nut drink is ready. I added a little more water so that I can get more milk, and I did it until there was no more milk left. Look at how creamy it's looking. It's so fine. I wish you're here to taste it. I'll get it chilled and pair it with a snacks of my choice. Let me know the snacks you'll be pairing it with. I would love to engage with you in the comment section. And thank you for staying this far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And you know, it makes YouTube to want to push my video further. Thank you for everything.